Yes lads, good morning, welcome to another video. So today we're going to head down to my work and we're going to fit a Cobra Sport exhaust. So I got the exhaust for 200 quid off eBay, which is an absolute bargain, second hand. Only been on like the guy's car like 4 months or something. It's actually in really clean condition. I'll show you properly when we get there, but it's on my back seat at the moment. He's cleaned it up for us, very nice. So yeah, gonna head down to my work now and then drive into the workshop, and I'll start the video. I'll show you what the exhaust looks like. So lads, here it is, the Cobra Sport exhaust in 3 parts. We've got the res, the straight pipe and the back box. It's actually in very clean condition, seeing though it's already been on our car. So yeah, what we're gonna do is I'll get fitting it now. I've got a couple of other jobs I need to do today, like dropping my fuel tank and rewiring some stuff, sort my steering out because it's out. So yeah, we're going to crack on and then I'll show you what it sounds like at the end, and then we'll wrap up the video. So lads, to remove the original exhaust coming from a downpipe, you've got 217 bolts with 217 nuts on it, and then we're going to have to remove this. So they're 13mm, 4 of them, and then that straight through is actually with the res as well, and then we'll come to the shitty back box that we put on and we'll take that off. So lads, so far we've got the back box off and we've got the strengthening brace off as well, so that we can then get the res and the straight pipe out all as one. Right lads, so after a bit of struggling of pulling on the pipe to bend it, we've got the res out as well. So what we've got now is our downpipe here. So we're going to go ahead, sort out some gaskets for the new exhaust, and then I'll let you know when it's fitted. Yeah, so I'm going to chuck the Cobra Sport exhaust on now. Should be easier than taking off the old one, and then we'll see what it sounds like. Right lads, so the res is on. It was a bit hard to connect it to the downpipe, just because I don't think, probably because this isn't branded and they're just slightly different fitments, but it does go. Forgot to put exhaust paste on, so I've been an absolute noob and put it on the outside, which won't do anything, but fuck it. I'm going to go ahead and put the straight pipe on and then fit the back box. Right lads, so we've got the straight pipe on, going back to where the back box is going to go. So we've just got the back box put on, and then we're going to tighten up everything once everything's on so it sits right. The only thing I've tightened fully is the one at the downpipe. So we'll get the back box on and then we'll tighten everything up, make sure it's secure. So lads, it's all on. Back box is on as well. It's not sitting how I'd like it to sit, so I'm just gonna, you can adjust this exit there. So we're gonna adjust it. It's sitting a bit low as well, but I guess that's just how they are. Yeah, so I'll adjust it and then we'll get it started, make sure nothing's blowing, make sure everything's sealed. Put exhaust paste on most bits, I need a bit more on this. Yeah. We've got it sitting perfect, look at that. Right guys, so after I fitted my exhaust, I just went on a road test, make sure it was alright. Because the diameter of the exhaust is 2.5 inches instead of the standard one, which is 1.75 inch, I had to bend all the heat shield, because basically when you shook it underneath it was knocking, and that'll get on my nerves. So we've bent all that. I've just pulled up on a side street now, and I'm going to get some clicks for you, show what it sounds like, try and make it flame, stuff like that. Yes, lads. So just got in. Gonna wrap up the video. I'm absolutely knackered. I need some rest, mate. I need to sleep for about a week. Well, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Gonna be more stuff coming up soon. I've got a lot of plans once I get a bit of money. So you'll see more and more videos on the channel. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe, leave a like on the video, show your support, and I will see you dudes soon.